In this video we will learn how to install Virtualbox on Windows 10. So let's begin. To install Virtualbox on Windows 10, just go and open your browser. First we need to download, then we would install the Virtualbox on Windows 10. So here just go and type in for Virtualbox, download. Here we are. Hit enter. And here is the first link, that is virtualbox.org/wiki/download. Click on this. And here you can download your respective version. For ourselves it is Windows host, so I would click on Windows host. Once you click, the download will start. In my case I have already downloaded it, so I would go to my files section in the downloads, and in the programs I have already downloaded. Here is the Virtualbox. Just go and I would open it, double click on it, and the installation process will start shortly. So here click on next, 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 it's, and click yes, next. So here it is. Allow whatever it wants, and it would take a bit of a time. I would be back when the installation process will be near to completion. So here it says installation of the device software. Just go and allow it, install it. So the installation is completed. Click on finish, and the Virtualbox will open shortly. So here we have the Virtualbox. You can import, export, add new machines. So hope this tutorial has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.